everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on our outside to inside knife block, or the twin sister of the last block we just learned. Okay, so we're going to, again, this doesn't really have a formal load, so we're just going to reach out with our opposite hand, and we're going to step with that hand open by the belt or by the ears, again with the double variation. So we're going to show both loads. So from the hip first, load 1, step and block, outside, still blocking with the pinky, still level with the eyes, elbow bent, wrist straight. Very good. And now from the ears, height, height, and reset, opposite side, ready, height, height, and now from the other load, opposite side, height, height, good, and now on the target, ready, height, height, good, one more on the other side, height, good. That is our outside to inside knife block, or Pakiso Anaro Sudo Maki. Practice what you learned, make it rock.